Alright, what's up guys? In this video we're installing some electric baseboard heaters. We got lucky because we're just replacing old worn out ones, so the trim around the walls is already cut, the wire was already ran, didn't have to get an electrician or anything like that. So it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy. If you didn't already have existing ones, you would have to run new wire. You can share usually 2 electric baseboard heaters to a circuit, and you would have to cut the trim, if you had any trim, down at the where the wall meets the floor. So anyways, I don't know why I just said it like that. Where the wall meets the floor, where your finger meets the subscribe button. All right guys, stay tuned. All right, we're replacing these baseboards. These are already done. Turned out beautifully. 240 volts, all of them. Thermostats are in line with it. That's a new one. Here's the old one. You just gotta unwire it, find the breaker, take it off, mount the new one wired up. It's so simple, it really is. Okay, we got the living room done. Turn this thermostat off. And we'll put it back to 70. I think the thermostat's off. Interesting. What? This thermostat clicks on and off around 60 degrees. It's definitely not 60 degrees in here. But we're keeping the old thermostats, so that is what this job is. It's customer supplied parts. This bad boy did not fit, of course. It was a 9x12, we need a 10x12, so we're not doing that one for right now. So we got one. Ooh, this window feels good, being wide open.
Oh man, it's hotter than hell in this house.
Yeah. One 4-footer and then one 5-footer. Easy. This is the first time I've seen the cat. The dog bit me. Do you think the cat's gonna bite me? Hey buddy. Hi. Nope, doesn't like me.
I saw it this morning.
It's just kind of running from me right now.
Trap it in.
No. The dog already bit me. I'm not even testing it. So that just pops off. The wiring is
dust.
not over there.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
It comes up, yeah, wiring comes up in there, boom. So that means the other one's gonna be shared. It's got one thermostat. Alright, you gonna go do the breaker?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see that.
Yeah, you might want that.
I'll take that. So right now you would think it's dead, but it's not, because thermostat is in line to the breaker. Now that it's calling, it's, you know what?
Is it off?
It was never on. Hold on.
I turned it off. Hold on.
No, it's still not on. Still not on.
Really?
Yup. And our thermostat is on and calling. Alright, well, we're gonna figure this out real quick because we have no power. It's live now. It's wired into the bathroom heater, which is no bueno. It's supposed to be on its own circuit. Alright, you can turn it off. This is wired into it too. Oh, I'm no electrician. I don't know if that's gonna be the end of the world or not. That's how it's always been. That's how we're gonna wire it back up. You know, let me know in the comments if you think the house is gonna blow up or not. All right, let's get it. Okay, I'm undoing the wiring. Evan's gonna get the screws out of the studs. Obviously, I'm joking about the house blowing up. Worst that'll ever happen is the breaker will trip. So, just letting you know.
Oh,
Yeah, they got her
painted on.
big time.
There it is.
Did I hurt you right there?
Nope.
I get a little aggressive sometimes.
You're good.
Okay, and that one's out. Easy. We'll just clean the wall a little bit, put a new one on. Look at the old carpet.
Close your mouth.
That's that grandma carpet.
Air dust.
Yeah, wow. Okay. Whoever was putting these in, row heater massively in behind all of them. I just think that's funny. I don't know why. Yeah. Okay, we got the new one. We'll take this plate off.
Hey, don't worry, it's labeled heater.
Yeah, I was telling them about that. They put it behind every one of them. And then we're gonna leave this BX connector because why not? It's really nice, and get it mounted. Of course, the holes are not 16 on center. So once you do find a stud and you measure over, you're still not hitting it. But it's okay, they're not hanging from anything. We're just putting some screws in the drywall and some screws in studs.
If I can find them.
Boom, boom. We'll find them. We will. Stud right there actually lines up with a hole.
We did it.
Let's go. That never happens. Okay, it's mounted. She ain't going nowhere. And then we have to wire it in. You just gotta look at the schematic when you do these. We're gonna cut it into this one. Boom, boom, put the ground on. Same thing over here, except you just have two sets of wires because one goes to the other heater we're doing right now. And that's gonna be it. When it's all said and done, we're gonna put all this on the van, take all the trash, clean up, and we'll be out of here. All right, that does it for this video. Quick little video, real simple, just installing some electric baseboard heaters. It's getting cold, so everybody's worrying about their heat, and that's justified. All right, guys, anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for maybe skipping to the end. If you're still watching this and you didn't watch, thanks for skipping to the end. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. We're at 475. I just looked. All right, guys, peace.